Hello, students. Welcome to the science class. Today, we will do a chapter that we are doing continuously, that is the teeth talk. So, today we will learn something interesting from this chapter, that is the. Okay, let's see what is that. Okay. This is the taking care of teeth. Exactly how to take care of the teeth, because we had already learned the different methods of or the different parts of the teeth. We had learned the types of the teeth. Today, now we will learn how to take care of the teeth. Okay, so here you can see a very interesting picture where the patient has gone to doctor and doctor is treating. I hope this experience is you all have this experience. I like majority have, not all, have the experience of going to the doctor. And at the same time, this is also very important, that is everybody should brush the teeth properly. Okay, so let's proceed. Now, the taking care of teeth helps to prevent the plaque, and also which is a clear film that sticks to your teeth. Okay, this is called the plaque. This is the clear film that sticks to the teeth. Now, the plaque is formed by the action of the bacteria on the food particle and sugar which is present in between the teeth. Sometimes it so happen you are eating something and or a sugar type of substances, and that is not being cleared properly, and while washing the mouth you are not clearing it properly. So by the constant deposition of this food particle as well as the sugar which are present in between the teeth, they they break down the acid and that eat very enamel, so causing the hole or the cavity. So here the method, like why the cavity is formed. Even in the picture also it has been seen, that is these food particle gradually remaining in between the teeth, they break the teeth, and also they break the enamel of the teeth and causing the hole or the cavity, hole or what is known as the cavity. Now, when the bacteria they reach inside the pulp, or yesterday when I was discussing I told about the pulp structure, it is present in between. So when the bacteria reach inside the pulp, the nerves are exposed to hot and cold things. That is why you can see sometime eating hot or sometime eating cold, we have a sensation, typical sensation in the teeth, and that is and the pain. So exactly these things are known as the tooth decay. So if it generally takes place in between the angles of the 12 and 13 teeth. Okay, so you should also be very careful about this methods. Okay. Now, apart from the pain, tooth is also decaying because of the stomach trouble and indigestion. So, not always the pain, but it leads to causing the stomach problem. Why? Because if you have a tooth pain, then automatically you won't be able to chew the food properly. Because in digestion already you had studied that the function of the teeth is to chew the food particle and also break them into small small pieces so that it is easier for the digestion. But if you break I mean if there is a tooth pain, it will not be able to break and the food particle, and also it gives that is why the entire food will not be properly digested, and as a result of which we will have some case a sort of stomach problems, and at the same time also we will have a certain due to improper digestion and improper chewing of the food, and also due to some stomach upset, you can have a very bad smell in the mouth. So everything is due to the lack of ability of the tooth to chew, and again in turn this has happened due to some problem in the teeth, ultimately leading to which ultimately leads to tooth decay or the cavity in the teeth. So, to keep your teeth clean and disease free, you also have to do the following things. Okay. So, what are these following things? First is brush your teeth twice daily, especially at night using the good toothpaste. Okay. So, brushing the teeth is very important. Twice means early in the morning after you get up from the bed, and also the night after you take the dinner. So in this, if you continue these processes, then automatically your teeth will be healthier, but you have to brush your teeth by using the toothpaste. Okay. Next one is, it is also important to visit the dentist every 6 months. It is a dental checkup. Whether, because ultimately we go to doctor when we suffer from discomfort or difficulty in our body. So at that time, maybe the timing, maybe the disease has spread so much, it is too late. So it's advisable to go to the doctor and get yourself checked every 6 months. Okay. Next is, in between the dentist visit, you can also prevent problems by eating fewer sugary snacks and sugary drinks. So it is better, you should avoid the sugary things. Definitely you will not stop, definitely you will eat, but in a moderate amount. Okay. Even if you eat the chocolates or the cold drinks, whatever, after each eating you should wash your mouth properly, so that you don't give any chance for tooth decay. Okay. So ultimately our intention is not to give chance for tooth decay. And the next one is, take a balanced diet. See, this is very important in every step of your life. Taking the balanced diet is very important for healthier tooth. Okay. So which includes the proper milk, and also milk product, and also rich the food which are rich in the calcium. These substances will help to make the teeth strong. Okay. So in order to get the stronger teeth, you should take all this balanced diet and all the substances which is required to make the teeth and bone strong. And this is very important for every time, every after every meal, you should wash your mouth very well. Maybe you have taken a little bit of a biscuit and you are thinking, okay, fine, I have not taken much food, so there is no need to clean off the diet, but clean off the mouth, wash off the mouth. But it is not so. So even if you take a bite of something, then also you should wash your mouth properly. Okay. So please don't give any chance to keep your mouth unwashed or improper condition. Okay. So if you follow these methods, I think you will be able to take proper care of your tooth, and automatically your tooth will be healthy. That will help to remain you healthy. Okay. So I think you are clear how to take care of your teeth. Next class we will again continue with some other topic. Till then, all of you stay safe. Thank you.